Hi guys, my name is Lori and today we're gonna do slime without Activator. Let's start it. I have here some water. I'm gonna put some color, food coloring, red color. Now I have to put some salt. And this is plain flour. Leave a comment below and tell me if this slime is working for you. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to my video now. You can see how it's getting thicker and thicker and thicker once I mix it. I decided to add a little bit more color. Still need some more flour. I think my slime is nearly ready. I'm going to wash my hands and I'm gonna come back to show you. My hands is now nice and clean, and we should play with this slime to see if it's all good and nice. I think it's very nice. I'm very happy with this. I hope you like it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this where we can enjoy and learn together. Leave a comment below to my video and tell me your opinion about this slime and if it's working for you as well. Thank you for watching and see you soon, guys.